Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the boAt Rockerz 185 wireless earphones. So let's look at the box and see if we can know any other details about the earphones. So at the back here you see that we have a wireless neckband style with Bluetooth version 5.0, which is good. It also has dual pairing, which probably means that it can connect to two devices at the same time. It comes with an IPX4 water and sweat resistant rating. It has a battery life of up to 15 hours, which is pretty decent for wireless earphones. They also have 10 mm titanium drivers. They come with integrated controls as well as voice assistant support. So now let's get into the packaging and look at what we have in here. So right here we have the earphones themselves. Let's come back to these later. In this little pouch here we have our accessories as well as our user manual. So let's look at that. We have two extra silicone tips which are orange in color, so it matches the theme of the headphones. You have a charging cable, which is a standard USB-A to micro USB cable. You get a little product pamphlet of boAt. There's also a 1-year warranty card, as well as a user manual. So that's about it for what we get inside the box. Now let's look at the earphones themselves. So let's get them out of this. So as you can see, these are neckband style earphones. They have a flexible rubber neckband, which is great. It feels pretty smooth, doesn't feel too rough or plasticky because it is rubber, so it should be comfortable around your neck. You have your two extenders or plastic modules right here. The left one has the boAt logo and the right one is the one that has the plus volume, minus volume and the central multifunction button. At the side you have this little flap which opens up to the charging port, which is a micro USB charging port. So let's close that back up again. It's a little difficult to close it back, but after some tries it does happen. Now the wires are pretty standard. They are black rounded wires. Let's come to the earphones now. As you can see, the earphones do have magnetic attachment, which means when they are idle around your neck, you can simply stick them together like this and they won't move around quite so much. You also see that you have this very interesting orange and black dual tone theme which is going on around the entire earphone. You have the orange neckband, orange controls, the black modules, the black wires, the black rear housings of the earbuds and the orange tips. So right here we can see at the back we have the boAt logo, and this is the magnetic housing that sticks together. The nozzles that hold the silicone tips are slightly angled, so that should allow us to get a better fit. And yes, that's about it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video.